Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be just announcing who won the giveaway, and the prize goes to the account under the name What. I will give you a couple days to direct message me on Instagram. This person is following me on Instagram, and they are subscribe to me here on my channel. So if this person could just send me a direct message on Instagram as soon as possible so that I can get that sent out to you, I would truly appreciate it. And thank you so much for being subscribed and following me. It means the world to me. Again, you have a few days to get that to me. If you don't respond in a couple days, I will have to pick another winner. I'm going to say by Tuesday. I don't want to put a limit on it, but I'll give you a week. So if that person does not respond soon, I will pick another winner. I'm not going to announce it. I'm not going to say whether they did or not. If I pick another winner, I will just reach out to that person. And yeah. So thank you so much to everyone who subscribed to my channel and entered for a chance to win this giveaway. It truly does mean the world to me, and I hope you stay subscribed and keep following me because I have more giveaways to come. I think every time I hit 100, so I'll be hitting 400 really soon, so I want to give another giveaway for that as well. It'll probably be makeup products or something, but please just stay tuned. There are more giveaways to come, and I thank you all so much. I truly do appreciate it. It means the world to me. Not a long video, but yeah. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that button. I would truly appreciate it. It means the world to me to see you guys giving so much love and support, and I couldn't do this without you guys, so thank you. And if you like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. They always help, even though there's not much to like on this video. But yeah, I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.